Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by powering off the headset and removing any cable. This prevents accidental damage. Once done, place the right ear cup up on a soft cloth and grip the pad rim close to the seam. Pull gently and evenly, don't yank on the center foam, because the pad is seated on clips around the edge. If it resists, slide a fingernail under the rim at 12 o'clock, then work clockwise to release the clips so the pad comes off cleanly. You now inspect the plastic ring and clip housings for lint or leftover adhesive. Cleaning those ensures a snug fit. Once clean, take the replacement pad and align its seam with the cup's cable port or reference notch. Start by seating the lip at 12 o'clock and press the rim into the bezel. Then work clockwise, pushing small sections of the lip under the bezel so each clip clicks. Make sure the pad sits flush and the cup's driver isn't pinched by the lip. To finish, press firmly around the entire rim to confirm all clips are engaged and the pad sits even. The foam should compress normally. Once done, reconnect the cable, power the unit, and play a familiar track to verify left/right balance and bass response. If you hear rattles, reduced bass, or C gaps, power off and reseat the pad. Start at the area with the issue and work outward. If problems persist, try swapping the pad orientation or inspect clip tabs for damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.